I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Forza Horizon 5 and immediately press pause to reach the main menu. Open settings from the pause menu so you can change gameplay options. You should be on the correct profile. If you have multiple, pick the one with saved progress, because accessibility settings are profile-specific. Once the settings page loads, navigate to the Accessibility tab using bumper or arrow keys. This is the first actionable step to expose the toggles you need to disable. Once in the Accessibility tab, read each option to understand its effect and then toggle off the assistive aids you no longer want. For example, switch steering assist, braking assist, and traction control to off to restore manual control. Make sure to also review visual and audio aids. Turn off high contrast UI or auto subtitles only if you do not rely on them. After changing each setting, move to the bottom of the list and choose Apply or Confirm so the game finalize by applying changes and quickly testing in free roam or a quick race to confirm the behavior matches your expectations. If settings revert after restarting, make sure Cloud Save Sync completed and that you edited the correct profile. Disable any parental or privacy restrictions that could block changes. If problems persist, restart the game or console. This clears temporary state and forces a settings sync. If still stuck, sign out and back into your account, then repeat the accessibility adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.